Hello, and welcome back to some City Skylines 2. So obviously it just released today. We're gonna get right in. I've already turned down the volumes and stuff and everything. So I don't know where I want to kind of start. Like Island's really cool. I think that's a little bit more of a busy thing, or I need to get into the game first before I start trying to build islands. So I think I'm gonna go something like maybe like this. So planes, trains, and automobiles. Looks like we have wheat. What's this? Ore. So we have a little bit of ore. 16 tons. Twin Mountain. Well, maybe we'll do that one. That kind of gives us some trees. It gives us a little bit of farmland. It's European, Northern Hemisphere, so -4 to 15°C. So it's going to stay cool pretty much year round. So it's gonna get kind of cold there. I don't know if I like cold. -12 to 27°C. That's got crazy. But let's do it. Why not? We'll just start with that one. Ormsby. All right, let's select Wilston. Wilston sounds good. Theme European, so we can either do European or North American. We'll do European. One in Europe. Left-hand traffic. Left-hand road. When checked. I think we'll stay on the right-hand roads just so I don't break my brain. When checked, you have access to city services. Okay, let's not do that. Let's not do unlimited money. You know what? Let's do the tutorials. Why not? It's a new game. We don't know what we're doing. It would make sense to check out the tutorials. It is loading. So, if you're wondering, I am running on a Ryzen 9 7950X3D with a 4090 Asus ROG Strix water-cooled card in it. So we'll see how all that works out. I am keeping an eye on my thermals. I've gotten up to like 70°C on my video card so far. So, we're doing all right. All right. This is the place to build your city dreams, take on depth challenges of managing city services, directing traffic flow. Tutorials are here to guide you as you take first steps towards city building. It's okay. So, start the game with a tutorial. Let's build. Before you start, it's how to move your landscape by using camera controls. Anytime you feel like turning the tutorials off again, you can do so in the pause menu. Gear icon, top right corner. Pause menu to have game all types. All right, let's get to work. All right, WSAD. All right, so look at that. We can move around with WSADs. That's craziness. All right, rotate the camera with Q and E. Tilt with T and G. Zoom in and out with R and F. Or by using the mouse wheel. We can't use the mouse wheel right now because I don't know why. Great job. You're now ready to start your first city. To guide through the steps with your prepared task list, start a test by selecting play. Complete any steps to unlock the feature. You also see hints along the way. Try to point out useful information. Proceed your own pace. Revisit it. Complete task anytime. Okay, to start my first task. Basic roads. Oh, the basic roads. City exists around roads. When you build a road, a cell grid appears and the land next to it will build. Most roads come with built-in utility network utility cables and pipes for water and sewage. Also, buildings connected to a road with utility network automatically have connection to the utilities. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. Basic roads. Okay, can I go now? Basic roads. All right. So I have to click on it. All right. Road types. Roads in the different sizes and configurations range from small alleys to one-way streets, all the way up to large highways. The larger the road, the higher the speed limit and the traffic capacity. Makes sense. 2-lane road is basic road. 2 lanes, one in each direction. Street lamps on either one side is easy to build with, but can only support a low amount of traffic. When selecting a road, keep an eye on the information panel. We'll see how much road cost to build and maintain an electricity building network can't handle. Tools. These tools can help build exactly how you want. Different options according to what you are currently building. So basically, tool mode: straight, simple curve, complex curve, continuous curve, grids, replace. Then you have snap to grid, snap to side of the buildings. So we can do a lot of crazy stuff. Tool modes: different tool modes help build roads in varying shapes. Select the mode according to the shape you want. You can always switch to a different mode at any time. This mode can be used to change the road you have to a different road. No need for the bulldozer. Turn replace mode on and select road type in menus. Okay, makes sense. Easy enough to do. Elevation down. Changing road elevation down allows you to construct tunnels in different elevations, which allow them to cross each other. This is especially important when creating public transit lines. Elevation up allows you to construct overpasses and ramps, bridge gaps, and train. Okay, makes sense. Just how much elevation changes when you use the up or down arrows. Okay, makes sense. Parallel mode makes two selected roads run perfectly aligned next to each other. Can increase or decrease the space between the roads once you turn the mode on. Okay. Snapping. Okay, makes sense. Snapping roads and obviously become magnetic. Basically, they just stick to each other. It's great. All right. Building roads. To get your city started, make it grow, you'll need to make it possible for other people and materials to arrive. Like around your map, the roads lead to the map area. Start building your city connecting. Hold the left mouse. When done, unselect the road tool and select right. All right, so it wants us to build some roads. Them roads. Now, if we do this thing and we do a grid, so, oh wow, you get a lot of information. So it tells me how much the incline is, or like how long it is. It tells me like what the angle to the starting point is. And we can just kind of go over here like this. Okay, so I can do that. So if I do like 180 meters, it doesn't want to let me do it. But it doesn't tell me how big the ones in the. Oop, I guess I'm doing that. I clicked it. It'll do out this way. Oh wow, I broke it. I wasn't parallel to it. I made it angry. Easy enough. All right, look at that. All right. So we got some. Oh, I made a mess here. All right. So I can't build a better road anyway. Made a mistake. Don't worry. You can bulldoze it. Left click. Okay, we don't need a bulldoze right now. I'm okay. Zoning residential. All right. Zoning residential. Okay, zones, build area types, builds a zone. Buildings in zoned areas get automatically, depending on the city's needs. Area that not zone will remain empty. All right, so we'll build some residentials. Zones are divided according to types of they allow for different areas of the city where different uses. Makes sense. Theme color, you can choose which theme the zoned buildings follow. This affects the visual styling of buildings that get built in the area. You can change the theme at any time and change to come to an effect for any new zoning you apply. Oh, wow. So you can change. So we can have like a European area and a North American area. That's kind of cool. Tool modes. Different modes help you shape and zone exactly the way you want. Keep in mind the buildings that get built, the zoned area needs to be adjacent to the road to have enough space on it. Low density housing. This zone type is for single family homes. They have a positive effect on residents' happiness. They can become expensive to live in when land value rises. Different job types and ability of jobs affect the demand of different types of housing. This all makes sense. Okay, zoning for residential. Zone the area residential, allow people to start moving to the city for happier neighborhood. Place the residential areas suitable locations. People appreciate living away from the sources of pollution, such as industry, large noises. You're free to design residential however you want. Easy enough. All right. So you know what? Let's just do that. Let's be honest. I don't know if I want to make that entire area residential, but we can. If you ever feel the zone is the wrong place, you can choose to remove the entire zone, shape of removing parts. Okay, use a tool. Shape it by removing parts of it. Okay, easy enough. Hold down right mouse button. Easy enough. Rezoning. If you would like to change an already zoned area to a different type, you can apply new zoning on top of the old one. Condemned buildings that already exist in the area are rezoning or removed zoning will become condemned. Condemned buildings will automatically demolished over time. For faster rebuild time, you can bulldoze them yourself to make room for new buildings. We already got people building houses and stuff. Look at this. This is crazy sauce. All right, so we'll do that. Zoning commercial. Okay, so we'll zone commercial. Commercial zone provides space for different types of businesses. Businesses provide services. All right. Business provide important local services such as stores, restaurants, gas stations, and citizens living nearby. Makes sense. So we're going to put those there and those there. You know what? Maybe we'll just ring the entire outside of the buildings with that. That'll be fine. That'll be all right. Pausing simulation will temporarily stop time. Allows you spacebar. All right, good. Once you done pause again, resume flow of time. Simulation speed, we can speed it up. Makes sense. Oh, look at that. It's all snowy and stuff. All right. What are you guys, what are you waiting for? You waiting for pieces? Zoning industrial, okay. Industrial provides for industrial, right? Easy enough. So we're going to put some industrial over here and here. Industrial manufacturing is all types of manufacturing building and warehouses. Process materials to create materials, goods, and further processed by other industries. Sold commercial business stores or used by city services. All right. No, we don't want to change that one. Right, so we placed an industrial zone, so that's all good. Zoning demand, that shows us that. At a glance, type of zones determined in a city, the fuller a bar, the higher the demand for the zone type. Each bar grows and shrinks constantly according to the city's changing needs for the zoning. Makes sense. And they need water and all kinds of stuff. Nobody's got any power. Nobody's got any water. They're all just angry. All right. Electricity. Let's build some electricity. Almost everything in the city needs electricity to work well. Working electricity grid keeps the citizens happy and the services running. There are a variety of operate electricity, and choose comes with its own pros and cons. Small coal power plant, source of high voltage electricity, but also generates a lot of pollution. Wind turbine, source of green energy, but the output is completely reliant on weather. Electricity is also important for neighboring cities using power lines. This requires no maintenance on your part, but buying electricity population grows can get expensive. Choose the source of electricity you want to start with and choose the panel to move on. You know what? Maybe we'll start with green energy to begin with. We'll see I think I'm gonna have to make a road. I think I'm gonna have to make a road. Road. That 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 would be great. And then let's go back to our electricity. Do that. We'll do that. Oh, okay. So we can do that. Okay. Can't really. Can't really. Snap the sides of the road, but we can't get them to like snap to each other. Can I get it down in here? Okay, so if we did that, then can I do? Okay, did that work like that? No, it doesn't seem to be working like that. Where's the bulldozer? Bulldoze that. You can lower the elevation to run electric. Oh, okay, that's cool. Okay. Oh. All right, back to the bulldozer. Oh, you can disconnect lines too, so that's cool. All right, back to the power line. All right, so there you go. So basically, you just need to connect it to the road, and then you can kind of get those guys out going. So hopefully we. Oh, they had sewer problems. Okay, electricity and the view shows overlay of electricity flow throughout the city. You help spot weaknesses. Where's that at? Oh, electricity view. Okay. Available electricity, electricity trade. Shows overlay. Okay. I guess they're just yellow to say they're okay. I do need batteries though. Electricity flowing. Animated electricity flowing. Large amount of electricity shown in short bars. Okay. Easy enough. So we see electricity is flowing. It looks like it's all right. Easy enough. Cable capacity is limited to how much electricity cables power lines can able to transfer. Flowing through the cables, lines can electric will suffer and results in buildings getting enough power. To be as active, you can hover over power lines. How much electricity is being transferred? 0.1 out of 40 megawatts. I seem to be doing okay for the power transfer there. Electricity bottleneck. When electricity cable or its maximum capacity bottleneck will form, start to block electricity flow and cause buildings down the line to not receive electricity. Their bottleneck using electricity surface, you need to bypass the bottleneck by redirecting electricity flow. Okay. Electricity flow can be directed and diverted to power lines, transformers, and stations. Okay, this all makes sense. All makes sense. Still have no demand. Oh, we got to finish the tutorial. Water. Everything needs good water flow. Households and companies need water to operate and survive. When the water system is working well, citizens stay healthier. Companies and services are able to operate without problems. Groundwater pumping station can be used to current city limits, contain underground water deposits. Groundwater pumping stations are placed in the surface above the water deposit to provide clean water for the city. Pumping station can also be used to current city limits as access to open water. Oh, look, open water right here. Pumping stations are placed in the shoreline and open water provides city water. Okay, easy enough. Choose a pumping station. I think we do have some water up here. Either way, we're end up having to run power out. I think for now, though, I think I want to build a road. Oh wow, it cuts right into the side of the mountain too. Oh no, okay, it just looked like it was going to. The shadows are being weird. All right, so let's get let's get us a pumping station. Nice little pumping station. And then I ran the road out there, so we have that also, so that works good. More types of pumps later on. Makes sense. And then water, all that stuff. That's all good. Everybody's got water. Oh, I got something going on down there. Build a pumping station. We did that. Connect water power stations. Pumping stations need a road connection. If your station is already built next to a road, they're all set. The stations connect to the roads. Okay, makes sense. Look at that. We got water. No, no. The sewage is backing up everybody's house, but it's the little things in life. Time to fuel up. Check out the new gas station. What is this? Notifications highlight different situations. Yeah, I know. They're full of poop. It's like Starbucks all over again. Go nuts, donuts, and then Betty Bite, and then that's cool. Bunch of different little stations. It's all good. All right, I guess we should handle the sewage problem. Yeah, you can see, like when you zoom in and out, there's some weirdness going on. So I know the devs said that they're not as performance as it can, and obviously I'm running on a stupid high machine. But all right, let's see sewage. Ooh, a water tower. I want a water tower. Clean water is used to become sewage outlet to expel the wastewater from the water network. All right. So we're gonna put that down here somewhere because the water's going this way. So we're going to do what I like to call somebody else's problem for the sewage. Oh, let's do that. Get us a sewage outlet. Oh, you're gonna make me run that way, aren't you? Do that. Try this again. Milestone 1. We got a bunch of money. We got a reward. You can go to the progression panel. Loan limit. I don't want a loan. I have a tiny village. All right, easy enough. Lots of good stuff here. All right, that makes sense. Flow in area, up and flow water. We'll do it. We'll do plenty of them. We have plenty. Just dumping it in the river. We're off. We're off to it. Have to change Barlow Street's name. Speaking of which, if you guys do have names or something like that, you have obviously keep them friendly. But if you have an idea for a name of a street, throw it down in the comments. We'll see. We'll add the names. We'll do what we can. We're gonna rename this guy here because I think we can rename them. Poop Street. There you go. Poop Street goes. It's the whole it's Poop Street. The whole thing that's great. Oh, makes me happy. Oh, sometimes it's at Cozy Street. And name this is going to be Water Street. Water Street. Plenty of free time, happy life. They just renamed my road to Poop Street. Single sewage pipe is connected sewage outlets to the road utility. All right. Yeah, so I could have just ran a pipe, but I ran a road down there. Existing network. We already did that. There. Is that better? Oh, double the poop. All right. You can visit. Okay. Gateway pause menu is open. Easy enough. Continue with this city. Why not? I don't know what I'm doing. I'm making it up as I go along. All right, so now we have everything open. So it looks like medium residential demand. So let's go ahead and get like a medium residential. We'll just do a medium residential like here and here. That'll be fine. They want more low density also. They want more places to build houses. Look at all the little people coming in, and I guess they can have accidents and stuff now too, which is amazing. So the AI for like driving and stuff is supposed to be a lot more involved. Like a lot more stuff is simulated, so you can actually get if you have bad traffic and stuff, they'll start running each other. They'll cause accidents. That causes other traffic problems. Uh, I was reading some stuff about where like they're supposed to use their high beams and low beams and stuff when their other cars are coming. Healthcare, daycare. All right, let's see. What do we got here? Medical clinic. So if I just put a medical clinic, like, do I not have enough monies? I have enough monies. Why can't I put it down? Yay! Garbage management. We'll put the garbage management over here on Poop Street. There you go. Put garbage management right there. Oh, what the hell is going on here? I'm very confused. Oh, okay, I get it now. So let's go over here, like here, then like that. That. What are you doing to me here? All right, I'm very confused. That's what's going on there. All right, so you get power. Day. Oh, death care. Ooh, we'll put the cemetery on Poop Street too. Oh, I'm such a child. I'm such a child. Uh, underground view. Ooh, what's it do? We already got people dying. What the hell? What? You just moved in here. Like you moved in and 2 days later just dead. That's not a good. That's bad. That's a transformer station. Don't need transformers yet. We haven't even ran into the Decepticons. 2-lane wooden bridge. Look at that. Busy streets. Let's do no, not this one. And then if we do that and we do the Replacey Street, we can do that. Then we can do that. Look at that. And then we got a big main lane that goes all the way down the middle. Oh, is it gonna destroy the buildings if I put it in there? Oh, it will, because it's got to widen the street. Oh, fancy. Okay. There's repercussions and consequences to your actions in this game. I don't know if I like that or not. Look at that. We got ambulances. We got those. Oh yeah. You can see like the Roselle's family where they, 64 Poop Street. No, not 64 Poop Street. A little house over here. No, like, and I played City Management before. Like, I played all the Sim Cities up till the last one, which killed the series for everybody involved. Played a little bit of City Skylines. Never really got super into City Skylines, but I did play it a bit. Um, so yeah, I don't know. This is good so far. We're probably gonna have a problem here eventually where these guys are gonna cause some issues, but that's fine. That'll be okay. Where do you live at? The corner of Water and Poop Street. All right. It's a pretty fancy cemetery for such a small place, though. That'll be all right. It will be all right. All right. So our demand is way down and everything. It looks like pretty much all they want is we have a little bit of low density demand. Isn't super bad. And let's see. Oh, we can upgrade it. Higher capacity, faster and cleaner services. Okay. Building upgrade. So upgrades. So, an ambulance depot. Additional space for more patients. That's 15 grand. That ambulance depots are expensive. Okay, so do I get to kind of choose where I place it? Okay. Oh wow. So you have to kind of choose where you want to add it. Okay. I pick up what you're putting down. Mausoleum, memorial tomb for person of importance. The cemetery becomes sightseeing attraction. Oh yeah, that's not large at all. Okay. What's this do? A small place of reverence provides increased well-being. I can't put that there. What happens if I put it back here? Oh, that place is not wheelchair accessible. just, just so we're clear. Landfill, garbage truck depot, hazardous collection point. Hazardous collection point. Can't work over there. Just put it right there. That'll be fine. Garbage truck depot enables a landfill to maintain much larger fleet of trucks for collection of garbage. So that one looks like it just sticks onto the front. Okay. All right. All right. Can we upgrade this guy? Level 1 of 5. Low. Okay. Can we upgrade you? Running out of fuel. Visit our new gas station. You already told us that. Okay. So we can't really upgrade any of those guys. Well, can we upgrade our windmills? Solar panel increase. Oh, I'll put during the daytime. Okay, so we can actually put batteries. So let's do solar panel. Yep, that's good. Put a massive battery on it. Okay. Okay. Put the battery on. Put the solar panel on. Put that on. That's good. All right. So that way we have the batteries. Like I want to have batteries. Milestone 2 unlock small village. You're moving ahead nicely. Thank you. You're very nice to say things like that to me, game. I know that's the way you're designed, but it's still nice. We'll get solar panels on. All right. Spend lots of money over there. Can we do anything fun with the? Let's see. Reduces the amount of pollutants in the water before it's expelled into the environment. Well, that's nice. Reduces the amount of sewage being expelled. Oh, now I got to do this. Oh, now I'm going to have to change stuff around. Now I got to bulldoze things. That's going to make them sad. No, I want to bulldoze that one. Can I not bulldoze it? Yes. I want to bulldoze it. Water, 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 water. Sewer plant. If I put you there, and then I do, it's not going to work because there's too much stuff in the way, or not enough stuff in the way. So if I just bulldoze you, and then can I do, yeah, just put this guy over here like this. That would be fine. And then I'll do that to there. It looks like I have to have water involved, or a road involved. Okay. So instead, let's do this. Okay. So that's doing that and that. So now can I? Oh, that's why. Where's my bulldozer? Oh! Turn on underground view and get rid of that pipe. That's fine. Thank you, sir. All right, let's get another pipe here. There. There. There you go. Now the sewer's flowing again. It was supposed to be cleaner. I spent a lot of money to make it cleaner. It's not cleaner. All right, what are you doing? Let's see. Additional pump that significantly increases water intake and delivery capacity, which is exactly what I need to do. Because I'm nowhere near where I need to do most of my stuff. So, all right. That's all good stuff. Anything else we can build? Ooh, education and jobs. Education service provides system of school, colleges, universities. It makes sense. Education levels. Okay, makes sense even more. Lowest to highest level. All right, so we have a high school and we have an elementary. So let's put the elementary school right next to the hospital, and then we'll put the high school on the other end of town, just like that. Oh, they made down finger votes for me destroying people's built offices. That makes sense though. Children's clinic, attached clinic that helps children recover from injuries. Well, I don't even. There's a hospital right next door. More space for more pupils. Oh wow. There you go. Playground. What? You let the kids play? All right, we'll get all that stuff. I'm just adding everything I can. All right, what can we do to the high school? Ooh, we can a sports ball. Ooh, wow. What is this? Texas? Look at that. Sports ball. School library. Yeah, we'll give them a library. That sounds good. Large and more students. Yeah, more students. Look at that. All right, look at that. They got sports ball. They got a high school. You guys should be all kinds of happy. What are you angry about? High rent? Well, that you should have bought. Ooh, we need more industry. Roads. No, I want to do this road here. It's fine. It'll be a little overlappy. Oh, it's doing weird things because they get the snap to guideline thing. Yeah, because it's not sure which it's trying to collect to one side of the road or the other. Oh, that may have been why I made big fat roads. All right, that's fine. You want some industry? I'll give you industry. Oh, I can't give them industry. Let me go back here. Let me change to a normal road. Normal road. Oh, it's just going to be off one. What? I didn't tell you to do that one. Replace. Do this road. What are you doing? Oh, Jesus. Now I'm making a mess. Oh, that's why. Okay. You know what? I'm done with you. Can I make the road go away? There you go. Go away. Go away. Go away. Just clean all this up. We'll be fine. All right. Let's pick all that up. Let's go back to normal weird roads here. Let's do this. That's fine. So we're going to come out here. Do that like that. That'll be great. All right, now let's get us some industries. You know what? There, y'all can have a lot of industry. And then we want some more medium. Ooh, what's this? What? That's really piss off the industry people. Oh, this would be great. There you go. We'll do that there and there. All right, so all those it's just condemned all of our industry. I'm sure that made a lot of people really happy. Yeah, it's getting really wacky sometimes. I don't know if it's coming through on the. I'm getting some jittering and some lighting problems. Progression panel. Large village, loan limits 200,000, livestock farming, stone mining, fire and rescue. Ooh, firehouse. We can make a firehouse. All right, we put the ambulances over here. Let's put the firehouse next to the. Put the firehouse right next to the high school, and put the police station on the other side of the high school. All right, that should make them happy. Let's see. More places for police vehicles. Yeah. More space for fire trucks. All right. I'm slowly getting rid of all my commercial on the outside. We're just now starting to get a little bit of commercial want, though. But I got the biggest hospital I can. What are you upset about the healthcare for? You guys are needy, wanty bastages. What are you doing? It's empty and available for rent. What is it? Oh, it's condemned. Oh. I don't think it's available for rent. It's been condemned. Bulldozer. Go away. Go away. No. Go away. Go. No. Go away. No. Go away. Growth of our city. Yay. All right. They'll eventually get all this stuff built and they'll probably be happier. They really want some industry. Normally, I would have placed the industry further away, but as to how we're starting and how we're working out, so it works. So, I'm all seriousness. I'm having fun with the game. It's kind of cool to kind of see. We'll try to get some further into it. I may start a new game for that. If you come up with a good name for a street or a name of a name of the town, throw that down in the description. Can we rename? We can rename the street addresses, right? Select to edit the name. Can we rename the family? Ooh, we can rename the families too. We can rename the peoples and the pets. That is cool. Like that is actually really crazy. Rename the medical clinic. So yeah, so if that's the case, we can rename the medical clinic. We can rename the fire stations. We can rename everything. So if you guys come up with cool names for fire station or the police station, or obviously keep it friendly. Like we don't need to be crazy out here. But we'll just kind of get into it and play a little bit, see how we like it. So with that, I would let y'all go. If y'all have any questions, comments, concerns, please leave those down below. If you like the videos and you want to see more of them, make sure you like it. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you'll get notified of new ones when they come out. And I'll have YouTube throw up another video for you. With that, you guys be safe, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye!